70+ children's rooms full of games and fun. Do you remember the times when summer knocked on the door, and we couldn't wait to run outside? Even during cool or rainy days, it wasn't a problem, you just threw on something extra. Your parents had to chase you after dark, dragging you home amidst your loud protests. Times have changed, and it seems that today's kids prefer indoor activities. Adapting to this trend, many parents turn to various ideas to provide their children with a dedicated space for fun indoors. Not everyone is blessed with enough space to create a dedicated playroom, often occupying precious square meters in the house. However, it doesn't have to be just a room for children. Through smart renovation, you can add a space for adults next to the playroom and enjoy the newfound room together with your little ones. Here, you'll find several tips and ideas on how to arrange or remodel a similar room. Let's take a look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great inspirations.